Volvo S60. The low voltage system was functioning, hazard lights on, all doors unlocked and opened. The call system failed to connect. Rescue and extrication rating, acceptable. Structure is great. The front bumper beam, crash box and shotgun crumpled effectively, greatly reducing the A-pillar stress. The A-pillar showed rather decent strength and withstood the huge impact, keeping the compartment intact. Structure rating, great. The driver was injured slightly, and both front dummies survived, but the front passenger suffered a severe neck injury. Moderate. Its overall rating, great. 40 miles per hour, 40% frontal offset crash against a deformable barrier. Simulates a crash against other vehicles. This is the IIHS Moderate Overlap Frontal Crash Evaluation, a standard in NCAP assessments. All vehicles are set to the maximum load. Front, 1 dummy, second row, 2 dummies. If there is a third row, 2 dummies. The Volvo S60, a fuel car, was the benchmark model in our test. In rescue and extrication, doors unlocked and the call system worked.
你好，你这边发生到事故了吗？
没有，我们这边做实验。
做实验是吗？
对。
那如果没有发生事故的话，那我这边就给您挂断了。
好，谢谢。
The call functioned well. Rescue and extrication rating, great. Its wiring might be damaged by the crash. Only the rear right hazard light was on. The engine compartment helped absorb energy. The bumper and the longitudinal beams crumpled well. All pillars in the compartment were intact. The hinged pillars, firewall and rocker panels didn't deform. Structure rating, great. The restraint system is also great. The airbags and all pre-tensioning seat belts deployed. The side airbags worked for a long time. The front dummy only had a mild chest injury, acceptable. Front restraint system rating, great. The 2 rear dummies also survived. Only the left one might have a leg fracture. Moderate. The right one suffered mild chest and calf injury, acceptable. Restraint system rating, acceptable. Since this car is the benchmark model, the driver didn't have calf injury. The front dummies are well protected by airbags and seat belts. Overall rating, acceptable. 50 miles per hour, 70% rear end crash by a 1 point per ton test vehicle. Simulates a secondary high-speed rear ending. The dummy layout and weight distribution remained unchanged. According to the U.S. Federal Regulations 301 and 305, major focuses are fuel and battery leakage, thermal runaway, and structural integrity. Before the crash, the hazard lights were functioning. The low voltage system with ultra-long operation time is excellent. In the 50 miles per hour 70% rear-end crash, the fuel system kept integrity, rating great. The whole body parts showed high strength. Rear bumper and crash box work well, no severe compartment deformation. All doors open. The unlocking signal was there. Structure rating, great. Volvo S60, a safety benchmark. Its overall rear-end test rating, great.